The best low-emission vehicles. You have electric vehicle, hybrid vehicle, and hydrogen vehicle. Introduction. Greenhouse gas emission is contributed by transportation. Total U.S. greenhouse gas emissions by economic sector in 2016 reported a 28.5% emission just from transportation. Over the last 150 years, carbon dioxide increased 30%. This is due to more vehicles on the road, polluting our air and making people with respiratory issues, their health just getting poorer. Well, this also is contributing to our climate change. You may ask, what low-emission vehicles help with climate change? Well, you have electric vehicle, hybrid vehicle, and hydrogen vehicle. Problem. Many choices for low-emission vehicles. Well, let's look at these individually. We have an electric vehicle. Some electric vehicles can travel 25 to 70 miles and 70 to 100 miles before needing to recharge. Electric vehicles can be charged while shopping, eating, sleeping, which makes it very convenient for everyone and easy for you to schedule around that as well. If manufactured in renewable energy areas, they can be zero-emission vehicles. Wow, that is wonderful. No-emission vehicle. Awesome. Purchase price on some of these vehicles start from $15,000 to $40,000, making it very affordable for everyone. Moving on to the hybrid vehicle. They are powered by gasoline and electricity. Improved battery to charge in minutes. Less emission than conventional vehicles for sure. Economical to purchase. So you are able to drive further distances without having to refuel or charge because you are working with both gasoline and electricity. Then you have the hydrogen vehicle. If made in renewable areas, then you also have zero-emission vehicles. Purchase price, though, is a little on the upside, which makes it more pricier for everyone to be able to afford one. Hydrogen, water, and oxygen is needed to make its energy. Can be refueled quickly like a conventional vehicle. In Germany and Japan, they have hydrogen-powered buses, which have been a success. Solution. Electric vehicles. Benefits. No tune-ups, no corroded mufflers, no oil spills, no smog. Wow! Longer lifespan than conventional vehicles. Quieter engines while driving, which can be very beneficial and can be safer. 0 to 60 miles per hour in seconds. Performance is great. Can charge vehicle while shopping, working, or sleeping. This is wonderful. You just have to manage your time and schedule. Fast charging ports available. Charges from 8 hours to 2 to 4 hours. So if you forgot to schedule and make your car get charged, no problem. Go to these fast charging ports and charge it in 2 to 4 hours. Electric vehicle batteries keep being improved every day, which will only make this vehicle better. With technology, these batteries are getting better and better. Best choice for lowering greenhouse gas emissions for sure. There's vehicle types for everyone. If you're single, you want a sporty car, there you go. Or you have a family and you need more of a family car, there you go. Electric vehicles also make those. Conclusion. Make a smart change and switch to electric vehicles. Do your research. See how this electric vehicle will help the environment, how decreasing the carbon dioxide footprint or eliminating will help with climate change, how the environment will be better. Doing your research on where these vehicles are being manufactured, if they are being manufactured in renewable energy areas, would be great, which will help with the carbon dioxide footprint. If we all do our part and we do our research, do the smart change, we can help Earth. Let's go with the electric vehicle.